Yeah, good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe at home. Okay, in last class we have learned about the formatting and designing a web page. Part 1 we have learned. That means some tags we have learned and we have some more. And then in part 2 we will learn changing the font, face, color and size of the font and background, your body, background color and what are the attributes in the body and what are the links, colors of the links in body, that we will learn today. Okay. So what is our lesson name? Formatting and designing web page. Designing a web page. So in this font is nothing but the handwriting in which you want to display your text in the web page. So this font is the handwriting for your text of text. Okay. So for this font we use the face element to write the handwriting, to display in which handwriting we want. So to write this handwriting we use the face attribute, handwriting. So that we will write in the double quotes. So next is size. So what is the size for your text we want, that we will write in the size attribute. That size is 1 to 7. 1 is the smallest size and 7 is the largest size. This one. That size we will mention in double quotes. The next attribute is color. So here COLOR we use. That color we can mention the code for the color or the name of the color we will mention in this color element. Okay. So for this we have to use the font tag. In this font tag we will use the face element, size element and color element. Face is to mention the handwriting and the size 1 to 7. What is the size we need? That we will mention in the size attribute, and in this color we will mention the code or color name. Code or color name for the text. In which color we want to display, that color we will mention. For that we use this font tag. Okay. So example we will see here. So with the font tag only we can use these three elements: face, size and color. Font is nothing but your text. Text means you can write letters or numbers or any special character, whatever you write in that web page, that is. So font, first one we will use the face element. So face is some Arial handwriting we will take. So in MS Office Word we will get in the formatting toolbar. There we will see the different handwritings, different fonts and the size of the font. Same handwritings we can mention here. So those handwritings we have to mention. Font, face and size equals to from 1 to 7 range. We have to mention in double quotes. And the font color equals to whatever the color you want, that color you have to mention. Okay. So in this handwriting with this size and with this color, the text is displayed. So this font tag should be in the body tag. It should be mentioned in the body tag. Okay. So next one is base font. Using this base font we can change the text in whole HTML document. So you can increase the size of the text and you can decrease the size of the text by mentioning the number. By adding number we can increase the size, by subtracting the number we can decrease the size. The next one is base font. So for this first we have to mention the number. So what is the size? Base font size. So here the size attribute we use. Okay, base font. For this we have this size attribute. Okay. So base font size equals to some 4 we will take. Okay. So to increase this size we have to add the number. Base font size equals to +2. +2 means it will be incremented to 6 size. 4 plus 2 6 now 6 size is displayed. So next, if you want to decrease the font size, base font size equals to -2. So if you decrease the number, so this will be displayed in 2 size. The 2 size will be displayed. So what is the size for the text 1 to 7? So in the middle only you have to mention the size here, and you can increment or decrement. That means you can increase the size or you can decrease the size of the base font, that font. So next one is body tag. So in this body we have different attributes. For the body we have different attributes. So next is the body tag. In this body tag, whatever you write, that will be displayed in the web page. So for this body we have the attribute called BG color. So background color. Here you can mention the code or you can mention the color name. Okay. So color code or color name. In your textbook the names and the codes are given. So go through those ones. Directly you can mention the name also. No need to learn all those codes for the colors. Okay. So BG color equals to some color we can mention. So this BG color attribute, this changes the whole color of the HTML document, the background color of the HTML document. So font color means only whatever you write, that text color will be changed. So BG color, total HTML document color will be changed. So after this we have the link. So whenever you open any website, so in that they will give see also, read more, like that links they will provide now to go to next web page. So those links, colors, these colors also we can change in the body tag. Okay, using this body tag we can mention the colors, we can change the links colors. So here we have 3 types of links. So first link, next one is A link, another one is V link. So link means if you mention any link to another web page. Suppose you have created some student table, student web page. From this you want to go to marks page. So that time we will mention the link to the marks page. So this is link. Whenever you click it will be activated. After you visit that page, this will be in visited link. This is visited link. So active link. So default colors for this link is blue. For link is it is default. By default you will see all the links in blue color. So active link is in red color when it is clicked. So V link, whenever you visit that link it will turn into purple color. So these are the 3 default colors for link, A link, V link. So these colors you can change by mentioning the color name or color code here. V link equals to some color, A link equals to color name, and V link equals to some color name. So these links colors also you can change in the body tag by mentioning this link equals to some color, A link equals to another color, V link equals to another color. So if you don't mention anything, the default colors will be blue, red and purple. Okay, these colors also we can change. So BG color, to change the color for HTML document, whole document background color will be changed. Okay, next attributes are margin. So for in body we have margin attributes. So attributes are top margin, bottom margin, left margin, right margin. So 4 margins we can give. Top margin, while writing you will draw margins now, like that we can mention the margin for our web page. The text which is displayed in the web page, for that text we will mention the margins. So how many margins we can mention? Top margin, left margin, right margin and bottom margin. Bottom margin. This we can mention by giving some number. Units you have to mention how much gap you want, that margin we can mention by giving the units, by giving some number there. So If you give the number, the gap, the margins, the top margin, and here you will get the left margin, how much you mention the units, those many points, the margin will be displayed, and this is the right margin, and for bottom margin we will get this. Okay. So in the middle you can display the text here like this. Okay. You can mention the margins. How many margins we can give? Top margin, left margin, right margin, and bottom margin. Here you have to mention the number. How much gap you want, those many points you have to mention. And this will be in the body tag. Body, top margin equals to 100. Body, left margin equals to 100. Body, right margin. Body, bottom margin. So after that we have to close the body tag. Okay. Like this. Whatever the text you want to write, that you have to write here. After that you have to close the body tag. So for this text, those 4 margins will be given. Okay. So like this we have to use the attributes to display the text in the web page. Okay. Till now what we have learned about font tag, base font tag, and body tag. So in font tag, what are the attributes we have? Face, size, color. Okay. Face is handwriting, size 1 to 7 we have to mention. For color, we have to mention the color name or color code. Okay. So next one is base font. For that we use the size attribute. Size equals to 1 to 7 range. We have to mention the number. It will change the text, display of the text in whole HTML document. And you can increment the size of the text and you can decrement the size of the text by adding the number and by subtracting the number. Next, third one is body tag. So in this body tag we have the BG color attribute which changes the color of the HTML document. And next we can change the color for a link, v-link. So link is nothing but connecting to another web page. That is called a hyperlink. So that we will learn in 7th lesson. Okay, don't worry about it. Just you have to learn to change the color of that link. So here you have the facility to change the color of link, a link, v-link. Okay, default color is link is blue, active link color is red, and visitor link color is purple. So and what are the attributes in the body? To give the margins, we can give top margin, left margin, right margin, and bottom margin for the text. So in Word document also we will mention the margins, same as it is we can mention the margin. There we will select, here we will write the numbers in double quotes. Okay, whatever the units you mention, that gap will be given for the text in the web page. Okay children, so for these 3 tags we have 6 programs in our textbook. Okay, I made 4 programs in that. So I added 2 programs in one program. So I will explain all those programs and show you the output. So output of web page. Those web pages also I will show you, so that you can understand and remember better. And try to write some programs. Practice those at home. Try to write some programs, small programs to display your name, to display your school name using these tags, to give the margins, to change the color of the font, to change the size of the font. Like those you can practice at home. Okay. Good morning children. Today we are going to learn about HTML, how to design, formatting and designing a web page. That we are learning. Part 2 we are learning now. So in previous class we have learned 4 programs, and now we will learn the four programs which are in your textbook. Okay. So this is the first program, to change the font face. So font face, that means we can change the handwriting of the font. Font is nothing but in which handwriting you want to write the text into the document, HTML document. Okay, here this is Cooper Black, it is mentioned, the font face tag we use here, isn't it? Font tag, and face is the attribute or that element which we use to change the handwriting. So Cooper Black, and this paragraph align, we can align that text into the center of the web page. So this is the highest reward God gives us. Some sentence is written here, and we will close the paragraph tag and font tag we have to close. Next, another handwriting is This one, Lucida handwriting. So we have different handwritings. In different handwritings, you can display the text in the web page. So another is for another sentence, the font face element is used, and this handwriting is Lucida handwriting is selected. So work and creativity. So this sentence is written here. Okay, after that you have to save it. So already I have typed and I saved this, and I will show you the web page now. So when you double click on this, the web page is displayed here. So first one is in Cooper Black and second is the Lucida handwriting. So these are the different handwritings in which you can display the text in web page. See? So these two are different or not? So like that you can display the font, display the text in web page in different handwritings. Okay. Now we will see another program. So open with Notepad. Okay, next one is base font. Using this base font, we can change the entire HTML document text. Okay, the text in total HTML document we can change. And here font size. So you can change the size of the font, size of the text. So size is from 1 to 7. 1 is the smallest one and 7 is the largest size for the font. So base font, it changes the total entire font in the HTML document. So this line size, see here, this line size is 4, and you can add and subtract values to that base font size. So if you add 2, that means 4 plus 2, 6 size is given. See, 6 size will be displayed. If you subtract 2, 4 minus 2, 2 size is displayed here. Okay. So here the parenthesis bracket I have to give. The line, this line is 4. Next here is 2. Because we have subtracted that. Again we have to save and we will display that. See here, this line has font size 4. Here is the font size is 4 and we added 2 here. So that size is 6 and we subtracted 2 from that font size. See, the size is 2 here. Okay, like that you can display the font in the HTML document using this base font. So for that we can use this size attribute, and you can add, increase the size or you can decrease the size by adding number and by subtracting the number. The size is from 1 to 7. Okay. So next one is, so open with Notepad. So the next program is body. So here attributes of body. In this we have this body BG color, background color, and here we have the links, 3 links, link, V-link and A-link. Okay, so link is when before we didn't click that color. Here we can mention the color, blue color, by default it is blue color. You can mention blue or that code you can mention. V-link is visited link. So after visiting that link, the color will be red. Here you can mention any color. Here you can mention red or blue, any color you can mention. And A link is active link. When you click on that link, that will be in, after clicking, so it is in purple color. Okay. So visited is purple, active link is red. So here it is mentioned green color and here it is mentioned blue color. This one is given code. Okay, these are the example programs. No, that's why for one they gave the code, and for remaining we can mention the color. What are the color you want to display, that color you can mention. So next one is font color. Here for font we can choose the color also. So here we can choose the color or we can give the code. So in your textbook different codes are given for different colors that you can mention, or you can mention the color also. Okay. So size and face. So here handwriting, Arial, Times New Roman, Cooper Black. So we had different handwritings. So in Word, when you click on that home tab, you will get the formatting toolbar. So different handwritings, font size and font size you can select, bold, italic, underline is there now. So up one handwriting selections are there. So those you can mention here. Okay, here we can mention those handwritings for our text. So next for this sentence they have given this one. Okay, we have to close the font tab and font tag and paragraph tag. Next one is predefined. So this one for this handwriting is Brooklyn. For next sentence they have given the color blue and the Brooklyn handwriting. So big tag, it will be displayed in big size. Size is 4. So these sentences are displayed in that. Okay. So next we will display that output. See here BG color what is mentioned, black, yellow is given now, this one BG background color. So total HTML document background color is displayed in yellow and this is displayed in black color. So this one we mentioned blue color now, that's why it is displayed in blue color. Okay, this HR size, horizontal rule size is 4 is given. So this horizontal rules are displayed here. Okay, this is the output for that program. So next one is, so open with notepad. So next is body attributes, top margin, left margin, right margin, bottom margin. We can give 4 margins, but in this example program we have only 2 margins. Top margin is defined and left margin is given. So you can mention the number of units, these pixels, the number of units you have to mention. That means how much gap you want, how much the margin we want, that number we have to mention. So background color also we can mention, and the alignment. So paragraph alignment, whatever the where we want to display it, in the center or left side or right side, that paragraph alignment we can mention, and the font size. So you have to mention the font size, which size we want and what is the handwriting we want and what is the color, in which color we want to display the text. All that we can mention here using size attribute for size, face attribute for handwriting, and color attribute to display the color for the text. So this BG color is different and font color is different. Font is whatever we are writing, that color. BG color means the background of that text. So whole document will be displayed in that color. Okay, this sentence is displayed in white color. The font tag, we have to close the font tag here. And bold, it is displayed in bold because we have mentioned here B. So that bold tag will be displayed in the next B and B. So here we mentioned B. What is the tag for bold? B. Here it is closed. Okay, bold. So your text is displayed in bold. Now we will see the output. See, background color is blue and text is displayed in white color and it is in bold. Okay, so like this we can write different programs using those tags, and we can display different text in different handwritings, in different colors and in different sizes. And we can change the background for the body, and we can give top margins, left margin, right margin and bottom margins also. Okay children, hope you all understood and practice these programs at home and try to write some more to display your name, your school name using those tags. Okay.